Usually, historians, people of logic, they see all the incidents, events only with their eyes. They record what has happened in the plane of length, breadth and depth. What happened according to their vision. What happened according to their understanding. They record it. They can understand only in the level of length, breadth and depth. That's all. They can say only in the level of length, breadth and depth, which you can see through your eyes. But when the masters see, they see another dimension also. Not only the length, breadth and depth, they see one more dimension of space and time. You need to understand this space and time. Example. Let me tell you this example. One old man went to a nearby village for some business. When he came back, when he was coming back from the village, far away he saw his house is on fire. Started shouting, screaming, rolling on the ground, crying, weeping. Oh, my house is on fire, please save me, save me. Please help me, help me, help me to put up this fire. He started shouting, screaming, weeping. One of his sons ran towards him and told, don't worry father, just 2 days ago we sold that house, it is not our house anymore. Immediately this guy stood up. Oh, is it so? Then okay. He started smiling. He became alright. Within 10 minutes, one more son came and he said, no father, we have sold the house, that is true, but we have not yet got the money. Then again he started rolling on the ground and started crying, weeping. Oh, please save me, save my house, save my house. I don't know what is happening. And again his wife came and gave the report. No, don't worry. Today morning only we got the money. It is already in the bank. We have deposited the money in the bank. We have got our money. Then again this guy stood up and said, oh, then it's okay. He became alright. Look this incident carefully. Just in 10 minutes time, same incident, same person, but two different reactions. He went through different moods. Within 10 minutes, he had suffering, he consoled himself. Again he had suffering, again he consoled himself. He undergoes different emotion, different moods. The incident is same. If a historian records this incident, he will record only what happened in length, breadth and depth. He will record only one thing. He will be able to record only one thing. What happened in the outer world? Length, breadth and depth. The house is on fire. This is the date. This is the time. This is the way it got fire. This is the way it ended. He can record only what has happened in the length, breadth and depth. If a rishi sees a person with a higher consciousness, if he sees, only he can record not only what happened in the length, breadth and depth, he will be able to record what happened in the space or consciousness of the owner. What happens in the space and time also because of this incident? What is the impact of that incident on the consciousness? We need to understand one thing, very important thing. You can't just read the incidents which happened in the length, breadth and depth and decide the history. History cannot be reduced just to the level of facts. We need to understand much more deeply the impact of that incident on human consciousness or on humanity, only then we can really experience or realize the truth. All historians tried their best to record only the incidents according to their length, breadth and depth, not according to their impact on human consciousness. For example, Gandhiji fasting and a housewife fasting after the fight in the house. These two cannot be the same. Gandhiji fasting for the freedom and housewife fasting for her freedom cannot be the same. If a historian records an incident, naturally he will record Gandhiji fasted for 2 days for freedom of the country. The housewife fasted for 2 days for her needs. This is the way it will be recorded. If you make the factual recordings, naturally you will record both incidents in the same way. Any intelligent person cannot agree both are one and the same. The impact of the incident, impact of the fact on space and time is totally different. When you record an history or an incident, you need to consider not only length, breadth and depth, you need to consider the space and time also. You need to consider the impact of that incident on the space and time.